Fagor Automation is a company that belongs to the Mondragon Corporation and, in turn, to the Fagor Group. With over 40 years of experience in the market, we have 3 production plants and a presence in more than 30 countries with direct presence. Throughout this period, we have developed a complete catalog and can say that we are one of the few manufacturers that have a complete solution for machine tool automation, encompassing CNC, acquisition, regulation, and motors. The natural client of Fagor Automation is primarily the manufacturer, but once the machines reach the field, the users become clients of Fagor Automation and are the ones who demand services throughout the life of the machine. Fagor Automation is known worldwide as a provider of machine tool automation solutions, and we are currently expanding the catalog to address new sectors such as semiconductors. I am Igor Murgiendo, Business Director of Services at Fagor Automation. The objective of the service business, in addition to continuing to offer the classic services called SAP, is to expand the service catalog in the areas of customized HMIs, digitalization, fields in which users and manufacturers are currently demanding complete and integrable solutions. In 2021, based on the platform and solution from Shabby Data Systems, we presented Fagor Digital Suite. This product is the current digitalization solution from Fagor for both manufacturers and users. The main features of Fagor Digital Suite are that it is a multi-brand, multi-protocol solution with certified cybersecurity certifications and provides a suite of tools ranging from monitoring, planning, and asset management for manufacturers and users. Our main objective with Fagor Digital Suite is, on one hand, to offer manufacturers a solution with a multitude of tools to manage their machine park and at the same time generate services for their own clients. And on the other hand, to offer users tools that range from monitoring and planning that allow for improved efficiency and productivity of their plants. Working with Shabby Data Systems has been really easy. Firstly, because it is a company that masters the technologies involved in digitalization, from data capture, processing, etc., both in the cloud and locally. Secondly, because Shabby Data Systems is a close, flexible company with a presence in the environment and also with a young and dynamic workforce, which facilitates all collaborative work.